What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we're gonna talk about Mullen Automotive. Once again, guys, that's Mullen Automotive with a ticker symbol MULN. Guys, in this video we are gonna talk about the latest PR that is actually released today. That should be Mullen extends maturity of senior secured convertible note. Okay, so that's the article that we're going to be talking about since there's not a lot of news concerning Mullen today, but of course we're going to dig this and find out what actually happened with this senior secured convertible note. Guys, if you like information and analysis I'll be providing in this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get going.
Why? How do you explain the excitement around your company the last couple of months?
Well, we got a nice car, got some good battery technology, and we want to put Americans back to work by building great products here in America. So our focus is specifically and primarily to create jobs in this country and build great products that we can be proud of.
Yeah, it just loaded. Does that take you by surprise at all?
Not really.
Okay.
You know, you try to stay even keel right across the middle. When things are really great, you don't get overly excited. When things aren't going so well, you don't get depressed, and you try to be focused and execute on your objectives, and hopefully the market will react to your progress.
So guys, as you can see, if you go back to Twitter, people are pumped once again because Mullen Automotive, Mullen stock is flying. Okay, according to Dodge Dad here, Mullen, that's it, that's the tweet. Okay, so if you keep on scrolling down, there's a lot of people involved in this. Mike Roach. Okay, so all these people, guys, they love Mullen. They're probably holding Mullen in their portfolios. So guys, as you can see, there's a press release that happened today from Mullen Automotive. So if you actually go to their to the Mullen website, you can see that it says here, Mullen extends maturity of senior secured convertible notes. Okay, so this is a press release from Mullen Automotive, and you can also see this exact press release in the Yahoo Finance website. So it says here, guys, that on Mullen, an emerging electric vehicle manufacturer, announces today that it has extended the maturity of a senior secured convertible note of $28 million, originally due in July 2022, by 2 years. So the company originally entered into a secured convertible promissory note on July 23, 2020 with DBI Lease Buyback Servicing LLC, an affiliate of Drawbridge Investments LLC. Esousa LLC, an existing Mullen shareholder, has acquired the note from Drawbridge and entered into an agreement with Mullen to extend the maturity date of the note by 2 years. Guys, so this is definitely 100% good news because, of course, Esousa is one of their partners, and if you actually have that opportunity to extend your whatever you owe from the Esousa as a company, it only means that they trust you, that you'll be able to do your job, so and that the company will be profitable in the next 2 years. So meaning these convertible notes could actually have more value in the future. Okay, so the original note was scheduled to mature on July 28, 2022, and that should be next month, and the note is now extended to July 2024. This note extension with Esousa is important for us as it preserves our cash flow at a time when the economy appears to be hitting some headwinds, and it provides the company with a strengthened cash position, allowing us to execute our EV plans, according to David Michery. So guys, you can find the details of this transaction in their recently 8K filing. So if you click on this, guys, a specific link in Yahoo Finance, you will come up with this, and that this is the agreement between Mullen Automotive and Esousa. Okay, so very simple, but of course some of you guys might want to find out what exactly happened during that day. Now, okay, so guys, I tried to check this in the 8K, into the filings of Mullen Automotive, and you can actually see that in there. Okay, so if you come back here, guys, this is the filing from all the way from August 4th of 2020. Okay, if you scroll down here, so this is actually the filing. So it says here up to maximum of 4,051,236 shares of common stock of the company are potentially issuable. Further to that, certain outstanding convertible note in the principal amount of 23,831,553.98 issued by the company to DBI Lease Buyback Servicing LLC, or also called as the Drawbridge Convertible Note. No shares of company common stock are reserved for future issuance pursuant to outstanding company stock options and other purchase rights granted pursuant to the company's incentive plan. So so we all know, guys, that definitely, okay, so there's a lot of positive catalysts ahead. Okay, so I think personally speaking, guys, I think Mullen is trying to capitalize on that, simple with this simple press release, because there's too many press releases coming up this week and next week. Okay, so this is just one of them, and of course people haven't been talking about this because specifically speaking, guys, their 8K filing was actually filed on June 17th of 2022, which is last week. So nobody talked about that, but they just released a simple press release for today for them to be able to capitalize on it. And right now the stock itself is flying at around, by the time of this recording, guys, the stock is up 14%, but this morning the stock is actually up 20%, which is really, really good. So for some people that did not actually increase their positions with Mullen Automotive, there is still time. Okay, this is not a financial advice, this is for entertaining purposes only, but I personally think, guys, that there's still a lot of time. Okay, or because as you can see, guys, the run is not yet over. Okay, so you can clearly see, guys, that we have a lot of positive catalysts ahead of us. Okay, next week, okay, of course, or next week or this week, the Fortune 500 customers, the deal with the OEM, I think we're having that the third quarter. Of course, the Russell 2000 and 3000 indices, so we will be joining that, and of course the institutional investors will be rebalancing their portfolios. So guys, as you can see, by the time of this recording, Mullen closed at a price of $1.52. And guys, this is a very, very important level for the Mullen stock, because as you can see, guys, $1.52 is actually, okay, also a psychological level, kind of, okay. So as you can see, guys, we are currently up 15.15%, okay, and our volume for today is 100.31 million, and we are still rising in the after hours, which is very, very cool. Now, the key levels that we are watching for tomorrow, because it seems that our run isn't over yet. If you go on your daily time frame, guys, okay, so the key levels that we are watching for tomorrow is around $1.75. Okay, that is the next level that we are watching tomorrow. And for the seventh consecutive day, the Mullen stock has been trading in the green. Okay, our RSI for today is only 60.70, and the kind of RSI that we are watching, okay, is around 70.0. That's the RSI that we are watching for the Mullen stock, for us to be able to go to that huge spike, huge run up again, up to the $4 section. Okay, so guys, like I said a while ago, the news today is nothing much. The Mullen as a company is just trying to inform everybody that there is no dilution upcoming in the stock itself up until in the next 2 years when it comes to these convertible notes. Because if you personally speaking, guys, if I want to go ahead and check for for a stock, I want to check if there is convertible notes outstanding, if there's S3 filing outstanding, if there is current dilution outstanding. So of course, guys, it seems that, like I said a while ago, this stock itself is very, very bullish in the next 2 weeks because of the catalysts that we are waiting for, which is the Fortune 500 company, the Russell 2000 and 3000 indices. Those are all important, and hopefully, guys, there will be another press release tomorrow, because knowing Mullen Automotive, they have the they know how to play with the press release. Okay, so so hopefully, guys, like I said, we will have another green day tomorrow. The momentum doesn't stop, because the momentum is there. As you can see, like I said a while ago, our volume for today is 100.37. Of course, if we want to go down tomorrow, right, so which is I don't think it's gonna happen. Okay, we have support at $1.40 and another resistance at $1.60, $1.70. That's the next level that we are watching. Then we can shoot up to around $2 easy. Okay, so the only thing we need tomorrow is participation from investors like you and me. 100%, guys, that's volume. Guys, if you like the information and analysis I have provided in this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Once again, this is your boy Don Leo Trades. I love you all. Peace out.